Today is January the 1st, 2008. It is 4:14 p.m. and it's a Monday. Today I received my first question of the year, and I was asked, why is it necessary to spend 7 days on each chakra? So here's my response. This is actually a much shorter length of time than it should be. But it's a start, and it gives you something to consider. There are several monumental cycles in our lives which mark a type of completion. And these cycles we tend to call birthdays, except we do celebrate them all the time. And we celebrate them all. The first 7 years of our lives are what begin to shape us and create our egos. And in a proper home, we will have our parents, our mother, and our father to guide us and balance us out. As children, we're so carefree and not really worrying about much, but having fun until someone introduces type of a roadblock. And our parents having an understanding of how special and ego forming those first 7 years are, will be there to help us work it out and all of our issues, so wouldn't leave an everlasting damaged footprint upon our impressionable egos. So by the time we're in our teens and reaching 14, that second life cycle, that would be the sacral chakra. We've gone through interacting with our peers, dealing with the opposite sex and learning the opposite sex and learning ourselves through the opposite sex, and so forth and so on by the time we reach 14. Now, we often notice that when we're around 21 to about 28 is when we start getting serious about our future, like settling down, family, children, cooperative economics, maybe even graduating from college. It's the chapter of our lives that deals with relationships and being able to have a healthy relationship without a damaged ego being in the way. This is the heart chakra. With proper parents guiding us every step of the way so as not to carry any damage into the next chapters of our lives, then we would go pass this on to our children, and they pass it on to theirs, and so on and so on. So the quick and easy answer to this, which there really isn't a quick and easy answer, but the quick and easy answer to this is each 7 days should actually be 7 years.